When it comes to upgrading your home, window replacement is a major investment that can transform both the appearance and functionality of your property. But while selecting the right windows is critical, ensuring they are installed correctly is equally important. For homeowners in Kendall, hiring a professional window installation service can make all the difference in maximizing energy efficiency, enhancing security, and achieving a flawless finish. Here's why professional window installation is crucial for your Kendall home. Ensuring a precise fit and sealing. The effectiveness of a new window depends on how well it is fitted into the existing opening. A poorly fitted window can lead to air leaks, water infiltration, and reduced insulation, negating the benefits of even the highest quality windows. Professional installers have the expertise to measure accurately, identify potential challenges, and ensure a precise fit. A properly installed window creates a tight seal that prevents air leaks and drafts. This is especially important for Kendall homeowners looking to maintain energy efficiency and reduce cooling costs in a warm climate. By hiring professionals, you can be confident that your windows will perform as expected, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Maximizing energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs, but their performance depends largely on the quality of the installation. If there are gaps, drafts, or incorrect alignments, the energy savings you expected may never materialize. Professional window installers have the skills and tools to ensure that windows are sealed and insulated properly, maximizing energy efficiency. In Kendall's warm climate, keeping cooling costs under control is a top priority for many homeowners. Properly installed energy-efficient windows can reduce your reliance on air conditioning, helping to lower monthly utility bills and minimize your environmental impact. With a professional installation, you can fully benefit from the energy-saving features of your new windows. Enhancing home security. Windows play a critical role in your home's security. Poorly installed windows can have weak points that intruders can exploit, leaving your home vulnerable. Professional installers are well versed in proper installation techniques that enhance security. They ensure that windows are securely anchored, properly aligned with locking mechanisms, and resistant to tampering. Additionally, professional installers can help you select security-enhanced options, such as reinforced glass, impact-resistant windows, and advanced locking systems, to further protect your home. This expertise provides peace of mind, knowing that your family and possessions are safe behind well-secured windows. Avoiding costly mistakes and repairs. DIY window installation may seem like a cost-saving option, but it often leads to issues that require costly repairs. Without the proper tools and expertise, it's easy to make mistakes such as improper sealing, misalignment, or even damaging the window frame. These errors can result in water leaks, drafts, or structural damage that undermine the window's performance and lifespan. Professional window installers have the experience to handle any challenges that arise during installation, minimizing the risk of costly mistakes. By entrusting the job to experts, you can avoid expensive repairs and rest assured that your windows will be installed correctly the first time. Ensuring compliance with building codes and warranty protection. Kendall has specific building codes and regulations that must be adhered to when installing new windows. Professional installers are familiar with these requirements and ensure that your project complies with all local standards. This is especially important if you plan to sell your home in the future, as code compliance can impact the sale. Furthermore, many window manufacturers offer warranties that may be voided if the windows are not installed by a certified professional. Hiring experts protects your warranty, giving you added peace of mind and coverage against potential issues. Improving home aesthetics and value. Well-installed windows not only enhance the functionality of your home but also elevate its aesthetic appeal. Professional installers pay attention to every detail, ensuring that windows are level, properly aligned, and sealed. The result is a polished, professional look that boosts curb appeal and adds value to your home. Buyers often prioritize energy efficiency, security, and visual appeal when evaluating properties. A home with professionally installed windows checks all these boxes, making it more attractive in the competitive Kendall market. Saving time and minimizing disruption. Window installation can be a time-consuming process, especially for those without experience. Professional installers work efficiently, minimizing the disruption to your daily routine. They have the tools, training, and expertise to complete the job quickly while maintaining high standards of quality. This allows you to enjoy the benefits of your new windows sooner, without the stress and frustration of a DIY project. Trust the experts for a better result. Professional window installation is more than just a convenience. It's a critical step in ensuring that your new windows deliver optimal performance, security, and aesthetic appeal. For Kendall homeowners, hiring experienced professionals is a smart investment that pays off in energy savings, enhanced security, and peace of mind. Don't settle for anything less than expert installation when it comes to upgrading your windows. Trust the professionals to get the job done right and enjoy the long-term benefits of a well-installed, beautiful, and efficient home.